Good morning, student. I am your math teacher Pravinder. Going to discuss about the compound interest compounded half yearly. So formula this exercise number 3C up to 5th question we have discussed yesterday. Now start from the 6th question. The formula is same, that is A equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100. What we have? In what rate of interest compounded will be a sum is 62,500 rupees. On a compounded interest of 5,100 rupees in 1 year. The interest is to be compounded half yearly. P equal to 62,500, N equal to 1 year, that is 2 half year. Let the rate of interest be R% per annum per half years. Now the compound interest we have given, that is a 5,100 rupees. A equal to amount equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power N, or CI equal to A minus P. CI equal to P, amount equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power N minus P, or 5,100 P into P is a common 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power N minus 1 over bracket close 5,100, that is 62,500, 1 plus R upon 100 cos square minus 1. Now this is multiplier, divisible by this one, that equal to 1 plus R upon 100 cos square minus 1, or 1 take out this side, that is a 2 0 cancel by 51 over 6,000 and 51 over 525 plus 1 equal to 1 plus R upon 100 cos square. Next what we have, we take calcium, that equal to 51 plus 625 over 625, 1 plus R over 100 cos square, and that equal to 625 plus 51 equal to 676 over 625, 1 plus R upon 100 cos square, and 676 is a square of 26, 20 square over 25 cos square equal to 1 plus R upon 100 cos square. 2 से 2 cancel, power is cancelled by power. Now what we have, 26 over 25 minus 1 equal to R upon 100, that is 26 minus 25 over 25 equal to R upon 100. 1 over 25 equal to R upon 100, R equal to 100 over 25, that is 4% per half years. Now yearly, that is R equal to multiply with 2, that is 4 multiplied by 2, that is say 8% per annum. This one we have. Now question number 7, in what time period will we 1,500 rupees yield, that is 496 rupees 50 paise, as compounded interest at 20% per annum per years, compounded half yearly. What we have, principal equal to 1,500 and yield, that is a compound interest is given, that is a compound interest is 496 rupees 50 paise. Amount equal to principal plus compound interest, that is 1,500 plus 496 rupees 50 paise, that equal to 1,996 rupees 50 paise. Rate of interest, that is 20% per annum. Half yearly we have taken, that is 20 over 2, that is 10% half year. अब हमारे interest compounded half yearly, P equal to A equal to P into R plus N over 100, that equal to amount equal to 1,996 rupees 50 paise equal to 1,500, 1 plus 10 upon 100 raised to power N, or we have divided this one, that is 110 over 100 raised to power 2N, that is half yearly 2N, or this one be a 1 0 cancel, that equal to both number are common multiple of 5, that equal to 3, that equal to 15 के table से, that is 1,331, and this one we have 1,011 over 10 का cube, and this is 1,331 over 1,000, that is 11 over 10 to raised to power 2, that equal to 11 over 10 का cube equal to 11 over 10 का raised to power 2n, or 2n equal to 3, n equal to 3 by 2, and that equal to 1.5 year. Calculate the compound interest on 3,500 rupees at 6% per annum for 3 years, the interest being compounded half yearly. Don't use these mathematical tables. Use the necessary information for the following. We have given this one already. We have given in a book. Here है question हमारे पास. What we have, the principal is given, that is a 3,500. Rate of interest 6% per annum, and half yearly, that is 6 by 2, that is 3% per half yearly. Time equal to 3 year, that equal to 3 year half yearly, that is 6 half yearly. The interest compounded half yearly. A equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power n. A equal to 3,500. 1 plus 3 upon 100 raised to power 6. And that is 1.03 raised to power 6. And this one 3,500 multiplied by 1.194052. This one we have. And we have multiplied this one, that is 4,179.82. Or now we have find out compound interest. Compound interest equal to A minus P equal to amount minus principal. Amount equal to 4,179.182 minus 3,500. That equal to 679.182. Again, next question what we have. The difference between the compound interest and the simple interest on 12,000 rupees in 1.5 years at 10% compounded half yearly. Interest compounded 10% compounded half yearly. That equal to principal 12,000. R equal to 10% per annum. This is 10th question. That equal to 10% and 5% per half annum. And time period equal to 3 by 2, and multiply, that is 18 months, that is equal to 3 half years. And CI equal to A minus P, or amount equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power n minus P. And here we have this 12,000 is a common, P is a common, that is 1 plus 5 over 100 raised to power 3 minus 1. And this one 12,000 and 105 over 100, that is 21 over 20 raised to power 3 minus 1. आगे हमारे पास है, this is 12,000 multiply this one 9,261 over 8,000 minus 1. 12,000 multiplied by 9,261 minus 8,000 over 8,000. That is 12,000 multiplied by 1,261 over 8,000. 30 cancel by 30. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 2 4s are 8. And this one we have 30. Multiply this one, that is 37. And 3,783 divided by 2 equal to 1,891.50. SI equal to principal equal to 12,000. R equal to 10% per annum. And time equal to 1.5 years, that equal 3 by 2 years. SI equal to PRT over 100. That is 20 cancelled. This one we have cancelled. 1,000, this is 20 cancelled. That is 1,800. According to question, difference between compound interest and simple interest, that is 1,891.50 minus 1,800, that is 91.50. Next one we have the difference between the compound interest and simple interest on 12,000 rupees and in 1.5 year at 10% per annum compounded yearly. For SI equal to simple interest, that is P equal to 12,000, R equal to 10%. This is question number 9th, and this is N equal to 1.5 years. That equal to, अब हमारे पास है compounded yearly. Yearly हमारे पास the interest compounded yearly. First year के लिए हमने interest PRT over 100, that is 12,000 divided by 10. 20 cancel. This one we have 1,200 rupees. Amount at the end of the first year, that is A equal to P into CI. that equal to 12, and 12,000 plus 1,200 over this one we have 13200. And for next half year, P1 equal to A equal to 13,200. Interest for next half year, that is I2 equal to this one we have 13,200 multiplied by 10 multiplied 1 by 2 equal to 20 cancel. This one we have 600 rupees. अब हमारे पास है कंपाउंड I1 प्लस I2 इक्वल टू 1200 प्लस 660 रुपीज, दैट इज 1860 रुपीज, दैट इज ये कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट कंपाउंडेड ईयरली. आगे हमारे पास सिंपल इंटरेस्ट है PRT ओवर 100 दैट इक्वल टू 12,000 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 10 मल्टीप्लाई 3/2 ओवर 100 दैट इक्वल टू 1800. अब डिफरेंस बिटवीन द कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट एंड सिंपल इंटरेस्ट इक्वल टू 18,860 माइनस 1,800 दैट इक्वल टू 60 रुपीज. दैट्स ऑल.